Hi everyone, Ryan here. Just a quick video, little announcement. So we're coming up to the first year anniversary of the first video upload on my channel, and big thank you so much to everyone who's been supporting me over the past year, both on here on YouTube as well as on Patreon. Thank you so much. I can't mean it enough. So as a special sort of anniversary sort of gift, I thought I'd do something a bit different, a bit special, and that is I'm going to do a live video stream, of game development, but with a bit of a twist. So I'm going to be developing a game from scratch completely. Meanwhile, whilst I'm doing that, I'll be explaining everything I do, so you can see my whole process, explaining why I'm doing the things I'm doing, as well as trying to teach you some of the bits I'm doing as I'm doing them. Now, what game I am actually making, well, that's totally up to the discretion of my Patreon subscribers. So my Patreon subscribers have been discussing in Discord what I should be doing, and that's still all up in the air. So obviously, if you want to throw in your vote and throw in what you want to talk about and what you want me to show off and do, head over to Patreon to support me there, and you can join in the discussion there with myself and the other game developers to discuss what I should be making live for you guys. So furthermore to that, the live stream will be broken up into two parts. So the first part will be for everyone, so everyone can watch the first part, no problems there, but then the second part will be exclusive to Patreons as a massive thank you to their financial support over the past year. So they'll get an extra bit added on to the end, so they can hopefully see the end product, hopefully. So all this stuff will be happening on Thursday the 25th of October. Time wise, I'm not entirely sure yet, but look out for my channel where I'm going to post the event details there. It'll probably be about 10 o'clock or 9:30 in the morning GMT, so look towards your time zones, etc., to figure out when that may be so you can watch it live. Obviously we will have live chat, so people can ask me questions live, give us some advice, also help me out as well, because I'll probably get stuck at some point. It'd be quite funny, I guess, but nonetheless, 25th of October, it's a Thursday, and I'll be probably doing it for a few hours, so for each part, so 2-3 hours each part, and it will all be available on archive, so don't worry if you can't make it to the live stream, you can watch it at a later date. So that's about it for me. So thank you very much again for all your support. It's been amazing, and great feedback from everyone. And here's to another year. Here's to more videos, more content. Got lots of stuff already exciting plans lined up. New series, new types of videos, lots of cool stuff. And who knows, if the live stream's successful and people like it enough, I'll try and make it more a regular thing. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you live on Thursday the 25th. Thank you very much, and goodbye.